Welcome to JRMSweeps. We're going to replace this ice tray auger here. You can see that it's broken off. So the first thing that we want to do is turn the ice tray over. We're going to remove these two screws right here on the bottom. You'll see one screw here in the middle on the very top part of the ice tray. We need to remove that guy as well. Right now we're just going to set this piece aside. And you carefully want to remove the front of the ice tray here. You need to remove this screw right here on this lever piece. With this screw removed, you need to go ahead and remove the lever here. If you look on the bottom piece here, there's a snap ring. You need to go ahead and remove this snap ring here. What you'll need to do is take you a small screwdriver, and be careful here. And what you want to do is you just kind of want to open this up because there's a retainer clip right here. And once you do that to both sides, you can see this is starting to come up a little bit, and we'll just work that out. Okay, before you go and remove the blades, make sure that you have the orientation of the blades written down. So you can see 9/8/7. And then what you want to do is take you a pair of pliers. See this little white cap here. Take that and then do it clockwise. And the reason why you're going to the right is because it's reverse threaded. When you're ready to put the auger back into its housing, you'll see this little plastic piece on the left will fit right in this corner. Then we're ready to put the snap ring back on. When you put the snap ring back on, you're going to put the washer on first and then the snap ring. To get the snap ring to seat properly, once you get it started with your hand, take a pair of channel locks here or a pair of pliers, and then you can just kind of easily press that into place. With the housing in place, all you need to do is reattach the lever with the front cover on. Don't forget about the two screws that go on the bottom here. Okay, and then the last thing you want to do is tighten this guy down. Whenever you do this, you're going to take the two flaps here and just tuck them under the little white cover. We're good to go. Thanks for watching.